Welcome to another video with www.dampwalls.co.za. Today in Glenhazel we're looking at how to damp-proof boundary walls. As you can see, the rendering, which is another name for plaster, has been taken off. The bricks exposed and the first layer of waterproofing has gone down. We are not finished. As you can see, there's many nooks and crannies and cavities that still need to be closed. We've demarcated the air brick allocation, which is where we will be putting in air bricks. This is a path of least resistance to allocate so that the water can make its way to the atmosphere via a process known as osmosis. On boundary walls, you've got 5 points of entry. You've got from the top down. As you can see, the blistering, bubbling paint at the tops of the walls indicate the wall's not waterproofed. You've got vertical butt joints. You've got higher ground level on the reverse side, and you've got no damp-proof course at the bottom, allowing water to rise. And your last entry is obviously from cracks, fissures, blistering paint. Another entry could be between the split sections of these walls where the waterproofing delaminates. You can see it just making daylight above the brick there. And as the water runs vertically down this wall, it gets in behind the lower wall and it actually funnels into the building both sides. Water will always move to the warmer side of the building where the evaporation takes place, and that's why it will move there. Summer it could be outside and winter it could be inside. These subsoil walls, as you can see, the house in the background, very high, so we've got a lot of water here, and that's why we need to double waterproof. It's the only way to do it. You can see more demarcated air bricks there. If you would like your boundary walls or damp to be controlled and you'd like a quotation, please reach out. Kindly follow some further videos as we track this repair. These walls were stripped with a special machine with a self-sharpening chisel. Once you chop a wall with a blunt chisel, it's like kind of cutting a tomato skin with a blunt knife. You need more pressure and you can slip and damage things. With walls that are chopped both sides, you need a very sharp instrument. Once both sides of the walls have been chopped, it then leads itself to problems because the structural integrity gets questioned. So you need the right tool for the job. At any stage of the chopping process, when you look at the chisel, the top of the chisel is about the thickness and sharpness of your fingernail. It's a self-sharpening chisel. Costs. If you would like your cracks fixed, as you can see here, we've got some big boy structural cracks. Please reach out. Make it a great day.